Hello guys, welcome to another change of videos. Today we are at Gunton. Today we're going to Darlington. Here we got the 0603 Greater Anglia service to Norwich. Done by 755 330. Coming at Gunton, Norfolkshire with Houghton and some Sabbathhouse and Norwich, all stops. Yeah, see you on board. We're now entering Norwich. Next train is going to be a EMR 170 to Peterborough. Just passing Crown Point now. Fog has definitely got worse since this morning. Here is a 745 002 going into the depot, right there. There's a 755 down there. Cool. We are now at Norwich, 755 408, there's 170 422 and 424. Nice morning. Well, 755 330, our train that brought us in from Gunton. We're now approaching Wyndham, passing through, first time, that's the A11. Going over the top there. Nice sunrise over there, through the trees. There. Very nice. The next stop is Thetford for this train, but the film I'm going through Wyndham because it is my favourite station. You've got to take the tickets. That was Wyndham we just passed. We're now approaching Ely, more specifically Ely Papworth Linux. They store a bunch of the old trains. You can see some 153s and 156s. All the railway ones. 156. I'll go to that number. Railway. Can't see any other trains in back side.
Good morning, we're now approaching Ely, your next station call. You can change it to London Stansted.
Yeah, we're now approaching Ely. Nice sunrise as well. Here we are leaving Ely, there's 36 756. Just got passed by a 379 on a Great Northern service to London King's Cross from Kingston. Next stop that would be Water Beach. Our next stop is Ely. Now approaching March. Got some wagons over here, got some GVRF stuff. We've got the signal box, the East Junction, the March East Junction I should say. Never been to March Station, so you can see it from the train.
Through to Liverpool Lime Street. Our next station call is Whittlesea. Please do be aware that only the very front carriage doors will open at Whittlesea, so if you'd like to leave at Whittlesea Station, please do make your way through to the front of the train where only the front carriage doors will open.
There goes 17424 on a Greater Anglia service to Liverpool Lime Street. Notice off that one being Gunton. That was the train that brought me to Peterborough. We're now at Peterborough. Our next train is the 8:52 LNER service to Edinburgh. We'll take us to Darlington. Finally. 801, 222 on a LNER service to London King's Cross. This of that would be London King's Cross. Here comes a LNER service from London King's Cross to York. 800 202. There is a 66. 66756. Overtook that at Ely earlier. There is 800 203. Coming in from Lincoln, going to London King's Cross. There is 17501. Nice shed noises there. There's also the other 800 that arrived in going to York. There goes a 802 302 on a whole train service from Beverley going to London King's Cross. Next off that one being London King's Cross. There is 700 117, which will be your Thameslink service to Horsham, I think. Not sure. The shed's still here. We got this one is a Grand Central, I think. Pretty cool. Here comes a LNER Zima on a service from 800 110. Here goes 170 202. On an East Midlands Railway service to Norwich from
5 from the 0848 Grand Central service to
on a service to Norwich. This other one being March. And here we got a
Thirsk, North Allerton, Eaglescliff,
we got a Grand Central 180.
and Sunderland. This train has 5 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation is available on the train.
Next train is our train to Darlington. We're now approaching into Newton Northgate. Hopefully see the class 67s in the sidings. Hopefully. So Mitchell's when I go past on the road. Yeah, that's 67s. 67, 027 and 67, 023. And here is Newton Northgate. We're on the approach of Doncaster now. There's a 170 on a service to Peterborough. That's the line off to Sheffield, I think, anyway. I think that goes to Sheffield, I'm not sure. It's the EBS wagon on the back of a lorry over there. That's nice. LD's lorry. There's a 56, let's go. 56049. I've seen one of them before, it's cool. And we might see a 37, I'm not sure. Hopefully. The 37s.
We've been here before.
Yeah. And yeah, the 37405 is down there. I think, might be 418. Here we are leaving Doncaster now. Got a couple of 08s over here. An old TP Mark 5, now to Chiltern. 08724, tempting it around. There's a 465 down there. It might be 466, I'm not sure. I don't know the difference between them. Nice Doncaster at the bus. Nice little bus. Double-decker bus.
Hello, and welcome on board this LNER Azuma to Edinburgh Waverley.
Yeah, that's Doncaster. See you at York. Here we are leaving York. 802-208 is there. It's all the HS2s we arrived in. We got the York War Museum. See if we can see anything around the museum. O9017 D260.
Hello, and welcome on board this LNER Azuma to Edinburgh Waverley. We will call at Darlington, Newcastle, Berwick-upon-Tweed, and Edinburgh Waverley. The next station will be Darlington.
CCTV is in operation on this service for your safety and security.
We've got Brightline Depot over there.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to our onboard team or text British Transport Police on
Got the RX2Ts over there as well.
We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
A bit of history there. Yeah. Well, no, the rest is history.
Good morning, welcome to Masters. You've joined us at York. I'm Peter, your train manager for the journey this morning. This is the 10:06 LNER Zimmer service to Edinburgh Waverley. Apologies for the late departure of your service. This is due to a signal fault between Doncaster and York. Next stop will be Darlington, and expect arrival time of 10:44. That's Darlington, next stop at 10:44.
It's a bit late into Darlington, but we'll get there soon. We're now here at Darlington. Here is 801-208. Nice long journey. A bit delayed due to the signal failure between Doncaster and York. But there goes. Off to Newcastle. There is a 156 sitting there. Going to do a service to, I would assume, Saltburn. Very nice station building as well. 156-471.
Newcastle via Chestnut Street, Chestnut Street and Newcastle. This train has
Yeah, go here as well, it's awesome.
first class accommodation is at the front of the train.
Temple on it, get a photo on it.
You must buy it before boarding this train.
Here comes a Transpennine Express at 802 on a service to Newcastle, I think. 802-208, I overtook this at York. Yep, going to Newcastle. Just a lovely station building here, I have to say. It's great. Never been here. It's the first I've ever been here, so it's cool. Longest train journey as well. Gunton to Darlington. Is that a new platform? I think it looks like a new platform. Cool. Here we've got a passing train here. A 800-108. on an LAR Zuma service to London King's Cross. We've got a Tampa, I'll get the number quickly. On the video. If I can see the number, that is. I'll just put you up here. Level you that way, I think. That works. Now you have the camera to try and get a shot. Looks like it is DR7504, which is the Tampa, which is cool. Anyway, that has been Gunton to Darlington in one day. Using 3 trains, Great Ranger 755, EMR 170, and then LNR 801. All great, good experiences. Yeah. Peace. Oh, good journey that.